Nope.
Hey, Sebastian. Just go bye-bye. Yeah, go take Daddy to work. Where are your pants? Where's your other sock? You only have one on. Where's your other one? Jump.
Jump.
Jump. Jump.
Jump. Jump.
He's almost jumping.
Jump.
He gets off a little bit off the ground.
Oh, oh, oh. All right. That's gross. All right.